After a delicious and fancy meal at Oyster Resort and a good night's sleep, we were once more on our way. Man, this was such a beautiful spot to stop, huh? Please like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell so you don't miss any action. Yeah, it's nice to have some ocean swell. It's not big, but it feels good.
Yeah. Well, we're definitely out in the ocean.
How you doing this morning, Manson?
Good, good. Just trying to catch some fish.
Let's catch some fish.
I mean, we've been catching a lot of mahi-mahi. We need some walu. Yeah.
Our destination is Soma Soma Village. While hauled out in Vunda Point, we were next to this village boat, and we made friends with the captain and some of the crew, and they invited us to come by and say hi. It took us a while, but here we are.
And this is our destination. This is Naviti Island, Somo Somo Bay, and we'll just negotiate ourselves way down into the bottom of that where we've been invited. Halfway in between the two villages is the school, right there.
That's definitely their boat. We found them!
Oh wow, cute little kayak.
Where you guys from?
Vanuatu.
What's your name?
My name is Pepe.
Teddy.
Yes.
And your name?
Deva.
One more.
Kama.
So Bula!
For a minute, I thought the boat was on fire. Just the whole beach is on fire, though. Yeah.
So you might remember this boat. When we were hauled out at Vunda Point, he was hauled out right next to us. And it is the island boat for the village of Somo Somo on Naviti Island. They invited us to visit their village, so here we are, up in the remote Yasawa group. This is the village of Somo Somo.
Now that the sun's up, the village has gone quiet. Just like in Vanuatu. We enjoyed our time in this village in the Yasawas. It's beautiful. Unfortunately, while we were there, our friends from the boat, the captain and his crew, didn't make it back, and so we missed our reunion. And since sailboats are meant to sail, it was finally time to leave. Red in the morning. The sea is all full of diamonds. A little rough this morning, Captain.
Yeah, it's a rough area. We have currents coming from two different directions. We've got waves coming from two different directions. And we've got 25 knots of wind on the nose. We're slogging through it. Soon to turn, and then we'll be alright once we get out of this. Got about 4 miles of this nonsense, and then we'll be good.
we're making corned beef cabbage underway. We've got the corned beef going. We're adding some cabbage. We don't cut the cabbage, we keep it whole so it lasts longer. That's about half our head of cabbage. That should be good. Cut up some onions and garlic before we got into open seas. And now we've been simmering the corned beef for about an hour. And now let's let this simmer for a while, but I think I'm gonna add some more cabbage. This is not enough. So we added some salt and pepper, coriander, garlic, a little onion, and simmered the corned beef and the cabbage while we were underway, and now we're having corned beef cabbage for dinner. Yum yum. Join us next time when we head down to Denaro and get ready for leaving Fiji and making another passage.